Meaning of flank.
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 Flank. Flank refers to the side of a person or animal's body between the ribs and hip. In a military context, it can also refer to the outermost edge of a formation. In cooking, flank steak is a cut of beef from the abdominal muscles of the cow. When used as a verb, to flank means to be positioned on either side of something or someone. This can be for protection or strategic advantage. For example, soldiers may flank an enemy position to gain a tactical advantage in battle. Overall, flank refers to the side of something, whether it be a physical entity or a strategic position.